लोग और आज मैं फिर से टू लग खेल रहा हूँ द गोट गैस द गोट हनान। तो देखते हैं क्या होता है। और एक होम पे होगा और एक अवे पे होगा। इसमें इसके पास इसके सारे प्लेयर्स के पास बॉल रोल है। तो ज़म्ब्रोता निको विलियम्स पास बैक टू जोन्स नहीं डियालो ओ दिस इज अ पेनल्टी यार। हमारे पास बॉल थी। ओ व्हाट अ गिव अवे यस गाइस आई हैव स्कोर्ड द गोल। Haaland with the goal. He just passed to Diallo and Diallo gave the pass to Haaland and we scored. Oh, McTom. Oh no, good. Guys. Oh no. Please. What a tackle, Jones. Stamp to Haaland. Oh my god, what was... Yeah, this net was... Oh, Diallo. No. Stamp. Oh no, Stamp got... Oh yes, Zambrotta with the help. Oh bhai. Haaland with a chance. He scored it. 2-0. Oh my god. I've never beaten him in a head-to-head match, guys. This is so special to me, guys. If you are loving what I am loving, please subscribe. No. Net lagged a bit and I conceded. But never be too overconfident because he makes some comeback. Because he is the goat and goats make comeback. Oh, good pass. Finesse. Oh, good shot. That was Maradona. That was good shot, but just got unlucky with that. First half 2-1. We are winning, guys. Oh, bad pass. I wasn't expecting that from Matt. Good block. No. No. Ake, good job. Nathan Ake does a good job. Nico Williams, use your pace. But Van Bissaka is good. Oh, no. Oh, pass, back pass, shoot it, यार ये क्या है? Zambrotta can't tackle him. No, please, guys, yalla. Oh, Nakake. My God, Nathan Ake. My God. Back pass to... No. Don't pass to him. He's a dangerous winger. Daniel Martin in FC Mobile, not in real life. Oh my God. No, Tiglafio. Chinola Kane. Good tackle. Okay. Ake is doing a very good job in this match. I exchanged him from the shards exchange. I thought he was not worth it, but it was the end day, and I had an option. Please shoot it. No. Tackle. No. It's the 84th minute. We have to just survive. Not in the 90th minute. Storm, good job. Zambrotta, clear it. Maradona. Nico Williams. Nesta coming in. Yes! Guys, we have won the first match 2-1. And we have an away advantage. If the second leg goes 0-0, we could win it. Finally. So guys, I am gonna... I have given him a request and he has accepted it. So now I am at home. Let's see what happens. I'm just hoping for a draw or a win. Just don't lose the game. This is my priority. Don't lose the game. Draw and win is enough. Draw is even enough.
यार उनको बोल रहे हैं कुछ मिनट गेम
बुला रहे ना, मैं क्या करूं?
क्या कह रहे हैं
पता नहीं मुझे, उन्होंने बोला जाओ नाम लो।
यार वो यही कह रहे होंगे ना कि अंदर बैठा है उस तरह उनको बोलना बस 5 मिनट उनको बताना वो गेम का व्लॉग बनाता है ना जियान, तो उसके साथ लगा
जियान की जगह से मैं खेल लेता हूं, जियान की जगह से खेल लेते हैं। चला जा ना, बुला रहे या तू दे तेरी जगह से मैं खेल लेता हूं।
Guys, Marlon to Kane. Oh, good interception.
काम होगा कोई दफा। वो किधर है आशिर?
बाहर ही है ना,
बाहर नहीं।
Back pass.
बाबा ने उसको बुलाया था उधर ही बैठा है।
Oh, good pass. He's gonna... Oh, no. Diallo give a Trivela to Nico Williams. Van Bissaka is charging him. Oh, he walked Van Bissaka like a dog. No, Marlon gets the ball. He's the GOAT. Oh, Girano, the GOAT, cheapest player. Please do not, please. This is my... Yeah, Nathan Ake, what a player, I love you. No. He's coming, charging forward. Please get a great pass. No, not... We have a free kick. उधर चली गई गाइस। Guys, please, 30 minutes is now done. We have to just survive 70 more minutes and we have won the match. Oh, clearance. Oh, good pass to Diallo. No, Diallo didn't get it. No. Stamp, do the job. No! It's time. Guys, I have to score a goal. I have to score a goal, guys. I have to score a goal. 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 Pass. What a pass. No, Jones. But Anthony was dead. Who do I sub in? No, I'm not gonna sub in Sanchez. This match is important and we need Haaland's finishing to work. McTominay, no. Maradona. Nathan Ake, good job. Nathan Ake has been a solid centre back. Haaland defended. You need to defend now. What? Oh my God! What a tackle was that by Jones, Curtis Jones. Yaar, what was that? What Anthony was that? Maicon. Maicon, what a player. He's not done much for me, but no, he is done in the most important way. No. Nathan Ake pass to McTominay. No. This was so unlucky, guys. Oh, guys, he got unlucky too. Please, please, please. We need a goal now. Or this is a tie. Jones, don't go too far because you can be offside. No, 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 no. He has the ball. He can score now. He can score, man. No, Storm, go there. Storm, no. Yes, guys. Oh my God. Milinkovic Savic, I love you. Is the? I think this will go to the 90th minute. Yes, yes, yes. It's the 84th minute and we have a Haaland to Sanchez. Oh, why did he get the ball? I was gonna get the ball. He cleared it out. Now. Yes, yes, we get the ball. It's a pass to Storm. Storm, good pass. Please, no! Oh, Maradona. What was that?
यार मैं अभी किस तरह भरूं?
Guys, the match ended in a 1-0 loss, but this is. I am still at a tie with him. Oh, away. तो मैंने 2 गोल लगाए. Guys, I won.
नहीं मारे.
2 गोल अवेगा. 2-1 जीता था पहला मैच.
अवेगा नहीं होता.
Guys, I won the match with the away goal rule. I scored 2 away goals and he scored 1. I won it. Guys, I finally won.
वो भी कह रहा है गोल नहीं होता. नहीं होता ना.
I won by away goal, guys. Away goal aggregate. Guys, this is for today. Meet you in the next video.